The communication has changed dramatically from cave painting, stone carving, and the smoke signals long ago. These are the ways people have expressed their ideas. Many tribes used trumpets, drums, beacon fires, smoke signals, and even mirrors for communication. They used these ways, especially tribal people, to transmit news, signal danger, or gather people to a common area. Earlier, people used to write on barks of trees and on animal skin. Finally, the Chinese invented paper, and it became much easier to write and share information. So, China is the first country who invented paper. Earlier, there were no books or TV, but people enjoyed listening to stories. Storytellers would spend hours every day sharing both true stories and imaginary tales. Children, did you know for thousands of years the epics like the Ramayana and the Mahabharata were not written down? They were only shared through storytelling. Through this way, these epics were transferred from one generation to other generation. In India, many people like Mughals, they used to send pigeons to carry messages from one place to another. They specially trained the pigeons for this purpose. Pigeons were very effective as messengers due to their natural homing abilities. The pigeons were attached with message. Then the pigeons, they were sent to the receiver. The pigeons, after giving the message, they come back to their home. In this way, the recipients could read the message which is provided by pigeons. Besides pigeons, some of the people were also trained to carry messages. Means they were trained as messengers who carry message and hand over to the desired recipient. They used to go by foot or on horses. As we have talked earlier also, that in ancient time the people used to write on the bark of trees or the skin of animals. Then after that the Chinese invented paper, and it became easy to do written communication. But the invention of printing press removed the need of hand write all paper message. It was able to mass produce printed material. It supported the flow of information among people. But in last 200 years, through the telegraph line, people could send their message in the form of telegram to far-flung areas in very short time. 1876, the telephone made it possible to have a conversation with someone even though they were very far away. We can reach people living anywhere in the world through a telephone. Nowadays, smartphones has taken place of these telephones. Nowadays, technology has made it very easy to send message to people through the internet. We can email or we can do video conferencing, video calling to our friends, relatives within movements. So this is all about history of communication. Hope you enjoyed today's session.